Welcome to the Chanakya Capital. Today we're going to be focusing and learning how to make income statement analysis with the help of AI. But before that, give me just 1 minute to explain you what exactly income statement analysis is. At its simplest, income statement analysis is the process of examining a company's report to see how it performed over a specific period, usually a quarter or a year. While an income statement tells you how much money a company made in terms of revenue and how much it kept in terms of net income, analysis is a detective work used to understand how they got there. It involves breaking down the number to see if the company is truly healthy or just faking it with one-time gains. So there are three main pillars of analysis. Analysts don't just look at the raw numbers, they use these three techniques to find the story behind the data. Number one is vertical analysis, to looking at the efficiency of the company, converting every line item into a percentage of sales. Then second is horizontal analysis, looking at the trends by comparing the same line items over several years. Lastly and third one, ratio analysis, looking at the profitability, calculating margins to compare the company against its competitor. So let's move on and see how it is made with the help of AI. So basically we're going to be using only two prompts. Prompt number one is persona, like act as a senior analyst at a Taiwan investment bank who is doing income statement analysis. We're doing it for Google. You can change the name of the company here. So these prompts are actually in the description. You can copy it from there. And what we will be including in data section, it will be summary, strategic outlook, revenue dynamics, margin analysis, which is the most important part of our income statement analysis, sales growth, gross margin, operating margin, net margin, EBIT, EBITDA, balance sheet, that is waterfall chart showing debt, capital allocation, then health score like growth, efficiency, solvency, profitability, cash flow, and some like further prompts to make the things more better. That's it. Let's move on and see how does our income statement analysis actually looks like. So this is for Google, and we are doing assessment from 2023 to 2025 ending. So Google is actually under a company called Alphabet Inc. Alphabet PLN profile for 2020-25 cycle reflects a strategic transition from legacy search to AI native infrastructure. So this income statement analysis is not just analyzing the numbers, but are actually providing a comment. So this is actually a ready to use analysis. Let's move on and see. So it has coded revenue, gross margin, free cash flow, net leverage. Then we have 5 year of performance, and we can actually click and see how much the revenue has been in terms of $1 billion. Then we have an analyst insight. See, this is just my first attempt, and these two prompts you can actually modify and use in your own way. This data may be correct or may not be correct. I haven't gone back at statements and checked it, but if you're using it for commercial purpose, do have a check on it. Primary driver behind 2024-25 revenue expansion is the successful deployment of search generative experience. So you are getting actually everything written already. Like furthermore, Google Cloud's transition into a high margin business segment is critical. Enterprise spending on AI training and inferences workloads have shifted cloud from peripheral growth story to core pillar of the income statement, with the segment now contributing disproportionately to incremental operating income. Now we have a segment contribution like search, sub others, YouTube, then cloud, and actually the percentage I've written down. Then we have income statement margin ratio, which is the most important part of it, like sales growth, gross margin, operating margin, net margin, EBITDA, EBIT, and we have all of them here. Vertical analysis, profitability drivers, then again a write-up is there. Then capital allocation, this is called waterfall diagram. The income statement generates substantial cash flow, which is primarily allocated to three buckets: technical infrastructure, research and development, Gemini model, like we are using the same one, shareholder returns through aggressive buyback program, health, the balance sheet, health indices, and financial performance radar. I love this, whatever it has made. And then it ends. So it is a perfect income statement analysis. Thank you for watching full video. We're going to be posting a lot of like this, so do have a check on this channel. Thank you once again.